Hello, this is Math Models, topic 2-4 on histograms and bar graphs. So first off, we need to go ahead and fill these out. A histogram displays grouped data, okay? And we usually do this when we have large groups of data. And so each group is defined by an interval on the horizontal axis. And then you can tell how many there are because the height of the bar for each interval indicates how many items fall in that group. And that number is called the frequency. Frequency. And so now let's go ahead and use an example. So here we've got a sales promotion and we are selling running shoes. And so this, what we call, is a frequency table. Well, I'm going to go ahead and just count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. Double check that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 41. And then last one, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 32. And so now we've got our different intervals, and we're going to make our histogram. So on the bottom, this is going to be our time. And over here is going to be our pairs of shoes. And so I'm going to go ahead and set up my intervals. Well, I've got 9 to noon, noon to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 9. Now I need to do my chart. I, of course, want to end at 0, and the top, I want to make this a nice round number. Let's call this 50. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And now we do our bars. So the 9 to 12 group comes almost to 30. And then our 12 to 3 group comes to 35, which is halfway between 30 and 40. Our 3 to 6 goes all the way past and goes just over 40. And then our 6 to 9, we drop back down to 32, which is just a little bit over 30. And now, just to differentiate between my bars, go ahead and shade them differently. So 9 to 12, 12 to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 9. And there is my histogram. Let's go ahead and look at our next problem. Is on a bar graph. So we've talked about histograms, and now we're going to talk about bar graphs. And so bar graphs compares amounts and quantities using horizontal or vertical bars. And so horizontal bars go that way, And vertical bars go up and down. So this is vertical, and it's a thing on volleyball charts. And so they're talking about BHS as one team and AMC as another team. And this is how many points they scored each game. So as a result of game 1, BHS won because they scored more points. Game 2, AMC won because they scored more points. And then in game 3, looks like AMC won again, meaning that the result of the match is that AMC wins the match. Now we can break this down. 15 points, probably 13 points, 10 and 15, 15, 16. You can break down this and get more information than what we just pulled, but that's an example of what we need to do. Well, that's all of our examples on histograms and bar graphs. Extremely easy graphs, should not be new to you. So good luck creating and interpreting them on the assignment. Have a good day.